Hello. In this video I show you how to create backups of VMware VMs from HPE storage snapshots in NAKIVO Backup and Replication. This feature can help you reduce the impact of backup workflows on your production environment. This allows you to set more frequent backup schedules and achieve shorter recovery point objectives or RPOs. To start, add your HPE storage hosting your VMs to the NAKIVO Backup and Replication inventory. To do that, open NAKIVO Backup and Replication, and go to Settings. Then go to the Inventory tab and click the plus sign in the top right corner. The Add Inventory item wizard opens. At the Platform step, select Storage Devices, then click Next. At the Type step, select Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, HPE, and click Next. At the Options step, you can set a display name for the new inventory item. For example, 3PAR. Then, I select the type, HPE 3PAR. Next, provide the host name or, in my case, the IP address of the storage device. Now, I need to specify the username and password to let NAKIVO Backup and Replication access the storage. The web services port is 8080 in this example. Make sure that the specified web services port is allowed before you proceed. Once done, click Finish. Now, the HPE 3PAR storage device has been added to the NAKIVO Backup and Replication inventory. Once your storage device is added, you can proceed with creating a backup job. I go back to Data Protection, then click the plus icon near the Jobs tab, and in the pop-up menu choose Backup for VMware. The new Backup Job wizard for VMware opens. At the Source step, select a VM hosted on your HPE device to back up. I select a VM on my HPE 3PAR storage and click Next. At the Destination step, I choose the onboard repository and click Next again. At the Schedule step, set a schedule for your backup job. You can run it weekly, monthly, yearly, periodically, or after another job. In my case, I set the job to run weekly. Also, you can manage the backup retention policy here. You can set to keep backups for the specified number of days, weeks, or months. I keep backups for 10 days. If you enable immutability, you can set the number of days for backups to remain immutable. Immutability protects your VM backup data from change or deletion throughout the specified period. You can use this to enhance anti-ransomware resilience of your VM backups, as ransomware can encrypt or delete immutable files. Moreover, you can use immutable backups for data recovery even if ransomware successfully reaches your backup repositories. I set the immutability period for 3 days. You can also add another schedule to this backup job if necessary. Click Next to proceed. At the Options step, you can specify the job name, priority, application awareness, backup encryption, verification, as well as backup type and other parameters. In this case, I change the backup from storage snapshot option to enabled, proceed on error. With this option chosen, the backup job continues to run and disregards errors occurring in the process. The enabled, fail on error, option interrupts the job when an error occurs. I can leave other options unchanged and click Finish or Finish and Run to complete creating a backup job to back up VMware VMs from HPE storage snapshots. Clicking Finish and Run initiates the job run right after creation. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel to catch new uploads. You can also download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication using the link in the description and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.